Welcome to Geeky Banker YouTube channel. We are here for CAIIB IT preparation. So this is mock test 6. First question is, the threats in the typical local area network includes. तो लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क में जो है वो किस प्रकार का थ्रेट जो है हमें मिलता है, ठीक है, या हम लोग फेस करते हैं. तो impersonation, eavesdropping, data alteration, denial of service, all the fours are true. So in typical local area networks, the threats includes all of these. Okay, impersonation, eavesdropping, data alteration, and denial of service. Okay. Now the next question is, now here question, सेफ लेंथ की फॉर सिमेट्रिक साइफर्स. देखिए सिमेट्रिक साइफर्स में क्या होता है कि एक ही की हम लोग यूज करते हैं, ठीक है, जो हम इंक्रिप्शन के लिए भी और डिक्रिप्शन के लिए भी. तो जो आप की यूज करते हो उस की का जो लेंथ होता है, ठीक है, इन मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस ये याद रखना है कि ऐसा नहीं है कि दिस इज फिक्स्ड वन कि ओनली 42 128 बिट्स ही होगा. दिस इज नॉट ट्रू. But the most of the keys length falls in between 40 and 128 bits. For low risk application, key length is 40 will be enough. So we have to remember that for low risk application, if the key length is 40, then this will be enough. For so if the question comes something like what will be the safe lengths for safe length keys for symmetric ciphers, then we can say it should be between 40 to 128. As for low risk application, key length 40 will be enough. Okay. So again some questions. Okay. So now when to conduct information system audit in branches. सो फॉर हाई रिस्क ब्रांचेज, वैसे ब्रांचेज जो हाई रिस्क है, अब बैंक का पैरामीटर जो है, सो द क्वेश्चन इज हियर कि हाउ विल यू कैटेगराइज हाई रिस्क ब्रांचेज और लो रिस्क ब्रांचेज. सो एवरी बैंक हैज देयर ऑन पैरामीटर्स फॉर कैटेगराइजिंग देयर ब्रांचेज. सो for whichever branches they have identified as high risk branches, there the system audit should be conducted once in 9 to 12 month period. Okay, so for medium risk branches, audit should be conducted once in 12 to 15 months period, and for low risk branches, system audit should be conducted once in 15 to 18 month period. Okay, so I have covered the question like this, 25 questions. So for a full video, please download our Geeky Banker app, and every now and then I keep on telling you that mock test, previous year questions, and objective questions from Macmillan book which I have covered, so that will be enough to pass the examination. So go and download our Geeky Banker app, and if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel, and if you find content is useful, then please share our YouTube link with your friends. Thanks again.